digital revolutionization that it's become one platform where you celebrate Indian cinema across the language barriers, so no language barrier, and I think it's amazing because for me that's really a matter of great pride.
I have 158 versions. Better than your iPhone, baby. You would just stick on 16 versions.
Who represents perfectly the idea of being a star? Who is that?
That gentleman is on stage right now, Shah Rukh Khan.
But why is it?
Why so? It's just, I've had people fight over each other in families, in friends, close friends circles, girlfriends and boyfriends. And marriages are broken because one of them doesn't like Shah Rukh Khan or they say something. लोग लड़ते हैं उनके लिए एक दूसरे से. I think that is probably the highest form of stardom.
So we didn't get you yesterday. Sir, please. Sir, one bite here, sir.
I'm looking for my friend, yaar. Where is he? Oh.
Lakshya Mukherjee, please.
Haan ji. Hello.
Okay, let's do this.
Yes.
Everybody has been talking about Kid. Now that it's a huge hit. But next, what are you going to do? It's again an action or something else?
I'll let you know very soon. I'm working on announcing it rightly. So give me a week or two. I'll let you know.
Just look at
Very soon. हो गया
It
almost.
is known as the most violent film made in Bollywood so far.
Yes.
And it's taken action a notch higher.
Thank you.
So what is it about your experience with the film that you remember the most challenging aspect of the film for you?
The entire film. I mean, what aspect was not challenging? Ask me that. And every day I used to come home bruised and swollen in different parts of my body. There came a point when I forgot which is the real bruise and which is the fake bruise because of the makeup and all. So yeah, the whole process was very taxing, but I'm glad that it all panned out very well, and I'm getting the recognition and the
Was this
importance that I want.
skepticism because it's your first film also to do something so intense?
I didn't choose this, honestly. It came my way and I just grabbed it. I was hungry and I just ate the biggest meal of my life.
Laksh, how was it with Raghav Juhan?
Superb, yeah, he's a fun guy. He's one of our closest friends in the city right now, and it's amazing to work with him.
Great. If you had to describe him in one word, what would it be?
Zindagi Zindabad.
Alright. Thank you,
An
Laksh.
actress you would want to see, you would want to work with in the future.
Actress? Alia Bhatt.
Why so?
She's great, yeah. That's why.
How is it working in Dharma? The band.
It's great, yeah. I mean, my producer is over there, so अच्छी बात ही बोलूँगा. No, I'm just kidding. But I think it's all the more amazing because I was supposed to get launched by Dostana. It didn't happen. There was a long wait, and throughout that wait, these guys were there. They held my hand. They let me go anywhere. They took care of me like my parents, and I'm so glad that they are my producers. Thank you. I was moving. Yeah.
मैं पिछले 2 घंटे से वहाँ पहुँचने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ.
It's okay, sir. 5 more minutes.
Last 5 minutes.
Kidding me? Come on.
Come on. Arshad sir, we are at IFA Abu Dhabi this year.
Yeah.
And we've seen a lot of movies. When we talked about movies last year as well, we see a lot of pan-Indian movies also that have come. What do you have to say as an actor about this language barrier being fizzled out?
Sorry, language barrier pirated. What do you mean?
नहीं fizzled out. मतलब वो language barrier निकल गया.
ये वाला? ये वाला? हाँ, नहीं मैं समझा नहीं आप. Piracy मैंने सुना.
Not piracy.
Language barrier अभी मिट रहा है. So what do you have to say
From the
about that?
movies.
From the movies, basically. It's not like anymore the Hindi film fraternity है. The South movie.
Oh, that is a very good thing. That is a very good thing. That should have happened long time back. Me personally ना, मुझे जब भी कोई बॉलीवुड लॉलीवुड बोलता है मुझे गुस्सा आता है. मैंने कई लोगों को करेक्ट कर चुका हूँ. बोला कि भैया ये इंडिया फिल्म इंडस्ट्री है और मैंने हमेशा उस तरह से देखा है. मेरे लिए when you have the whole country, we all are in it together, and that's how I look at it. My competition is with the rest of the world. It's not amongst each other, and that should not happen. And I'm so happy today that you have the entire fraternity, all different languages coming together and really making a movie. Like when I'm inshallah going to direct someday, I really want to cast everybody, whoever fits my role. I don't care the language; it's immaterial. It's absolutely doesn't matter. Oh, that's taken in a wrong sense.
What I'm trying to ask is, Arshad, it was a genuine feedback that you gave, but it didn't go well.
It's okay. See, everybody has their own point of view, and people like to make a little bit of noise. I spoke about a character, not the person. Not the person. He is a brilliant actor, and he's proved himself over and over again. We know about it. But when I give a bad character to a good actor, it's heartbreaking for the audience. It's coming out April, I think. Lovely. I love him, yeah. He's adorable. I don't hate anything about Akshay. I think I love him because he's he's a very together person. You know, he likes the whole unit to be together, and he's a very giving actor. He's too interested in his work. He loves his job. He keeps doing. He just wants to do more and more. I love the guy. He's very good to work with. मुन्ना भाई 3 की बातें हुई हैं, शायद हो जाएगा.
थैंक यू थैंक यू. अब आप लोगों ने तो कल बात कर ली ना मुझसे, तो फिर अभी सॉरी या थैंक यू. आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू ब्रेकफास्ट.
I have to ask you this.
Yes.
When I'm seeing the making of 12th Fail,
It's releasing on 13 December. You're the first people to ask me this, and you're the first people to know this answer.
Sir, congratulations on the success of the film. You know, recently while I was talking to Vikrant, he was telling me that working with you is like working with an institution. What do you have to say about Vikrant?
Well, he's one of the finest actors I've worked with. And see, I am not an easy guy to work with. He must have told you that. I work very hard, and I strive for excellence like a crazy man. I think every film that I make, or, you know, finally, what is going to be left behind? I'm 72, I'm not going to stay around too long. My cinema is going to outlive me. So my cinema should actually be even better than who I am. I strive to do that. So I'm tough on actors, on myself, on everyone. So if Vikrant is saying good things about me, I'm really grateful.
Was he the first choice for the film?
Yes, he was. I had a big problem because, see, I couldn't cast a so-called Hindi film star in this film. The film would look fake. So I had to look for an actor who could have this range of emotion. And he was amazing. He lost 8 kgs. He did crazy things, as you know. But
so when you say you work hard for your project, you know, we see those finer details in your movie as well. You know, right where, you know, it's been spoken before as well. You know, the chapping of his lips and stuff, and all when he's up in the hills and stuff and all. So
when he's up where?
Vikrant, when he's walking upstairs,
yes,
up on the hill, his lips are chapped.
Yes,
so
totally.
That's a natural thing that happens.
Yes.
So those are the finer details that we see in your movie. What makes you look for these kind of key details when you're seeing it? Doing it?
Well, what I think frankly, I wonder why others don't look for it. It's like now I'm talking to you, you asked me a question, I didn't get it, I asked you. This is what happens naturally. But if this happened in a movie, the director would say, cut, okay, one more time, you fumble. But fumbling is natural. So for me, what I do, I think everybody should do. Everybody should strive for excellence. They should not make movies just to make money and win awards. You know? I am very happy. Any film that makes it to the Oscars makes me very happy. Yes.
ठीक है हाँ हाँ यहाँ खड़ा रहूँ जहाँ खड़ा रहूँ ठीक है ओके जी
So Kabir sir, firstly, you know, Chandu Champion was loved by the audiences.
Thank you.
And you know, but somewhere the film was still not critically that acclaimed. So you know, what is going wrong with you and sports dramas, because you're the same guy who gave us Chak De.
No, firstly, I'm not the guy who gave you Chak De. The character was named after me, Kabir Khan. That was Shumit's film. No, but I think, you know, for me, it's about being able to deliver a film that I truly believe in, something that I passionately believe that this is a story I want to work on for the next year. And then I do a lot of research and, you know, bring that story to life. And with both 83 and with Chandu Champion, these are two films that I should always be very, very proud of, because it's connected very, very deeply with the audiences, and the kind of love we continue to get from it, the appreciation we continue to get for it. You know, just 2 days ago, the gold medalist from the Paralympics, you know, spoke at a platform and said that that's the film he watched while going to Paris, and that motivated him. I mean, what more can I ask for, you know, as a filmmaker? I think that's the kind of appreciation one really seeks out for your film.
Is there something you can tell us about Karthik? How was working with him?
It was lovely. I think Karthik is an extremely hardworking boy. The kind of commitment he gave for this character especially was unique. It's not easy to commit 1.5 years of your time and then learn skills like boxing and, swimming and then do a body transformation or that.
Kabir sir, you've worked with a lot of stars. Who is that one star you think that you enjoyed working with?
Oh, I've enjoyed. See, for me, the process is very important. The process, the journey of making the film is extremely important. I've enjoyed working with all of them, whether it's John, whether it's... I can't choose one person and say who do I enjoy the journey. I enjoyed the journey with all of them, and they're all spectacular actors. Whether it's Ranveer or Salman or Karthik or John, Arshad, Irfan, Nawaz. I mean, these are people I've really enjoyed working with. Katrina. For this particular role, it was his youthfulness. I needed the character to, be depicted from the age of 18 to 25, and I just felt he had that youthfulness. He had that naivety of a son of a soil who then turns on, goes on to become a world champion, and he had it. And I decided that I want to work with him for this. Thank you. Thank you. Ji.
सर आजकल प्री-रिलीज का कल्चर चल रहा है.
There is small mic just ahead.
सर आजकल प्री-रिलीज का कल्चर चल रहा है, लेकिन अगर आपको शोले कभी फिर से बने तो आप कौन दो एक्टर्स को उसमें दिखाना चाहोगे?
अमिताभ बच्चन एंड धर्मेंद्र.
बट जो नए जनरेशन के एक्टर्स
अमिताभ बच्चन एंड धर्मेंद्र, उनसे बेटर कोई हो सकता हो? तो फिर तो हाउ कैन आई गिव यू 2 नेम्स? अमजद खान.
Ramesh sir, we have seen a lot of movies. Now, when we say Indian movie, right, we speak about Indian movies from across South and
Everywhere.
How do you think that changed, like this change as a filmmaker at this point of view? What do you feel of it?
I think it's wonderful. All across the country, from Mumbai to Tamil Nadu, with Hyderabad and the Malayalam industry also in between, and to the east, Bengal. Everywhere there are filmmakers making very good films. They have always made, and I think they're an inspiration to each other. The South at the moment is really running hot and coming up with lots of wonderful films, lots of wonderful material, and it's an inspiration that Mumbai, you better catch up.
Absolutely. So you've seen a lot of stars back then as well, But if you have to define stardom in one actor in the recent generation, who would that be?
Ranveer Kapoor.
And an actress?
Alia Bhatt.
Any particular reason behind this power couple?
They're just too good. I mean, they've taken the right opportunities, they've been offered the right opportunities, and they've taken them and made something of their own, added so much of their own personalities into it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Nora, can you mind, please, Nora, please.
Nora, please. Nora.
Hi.
How are you? Nora, thank you.
I hosted yesterday, I lost my voice. So thank you. I hope you'll have a great night.
Just one question.
It'll be awesome, promise.
करते
Yeah.
हाँ
We have been working in South industry and in cinema also. How do you look at the evolution that has happened of South cinema and the acceptance that they have started getting there?
Well, I think they always had the acceptance and they always had the popularity. It's just that it's become seamless now across borders. I think South cinema was always huge. A lot of people watched those films on Setmax and Sony Max, right? So there was always reach. But I think what's happened with the onset of OTT and with the digital revolutionization, that it's become one platform where you celebrate Indian cinema across the language barriers. So no language barrier. And I think it's amazing because for me that's really a matter of great pride.
There
Yeah, we are shooting right now. Very good. Sorry.
Thank you.
And hold it like this.
So Abhishek,
ये आप सच में
अब क्या करूँ?
maybe it's okay, just keep the hold. So Stree 2 has broken all records. It's become an all-time blockbuster. Defeated Jawan, defeated Animal. Somebody who's associated with the film, what do you want to say about this?
I just have a lot of gratitude, yeah, that's it. I mean, towards the audience, the kind of love and the kind of appreciation we all as a team have been receiving, it's like a dream. Yeah. It also makes us believe in magic more, you know, because I think no matter how much you manifest, sometimes these things you can't predict. आप अपने दिमाग में सोचते भी नहीं हो कि ऐसा दिन आएगा कि आप इतने बड़े बड़े फिल्मों के साथ compete कर रहेंगे और उनको beat करेंगे. So I think we are very happy, and that also, like, you know, proves that audience is hungry to go to theaters. वो जो बातें होती थी कि थिएटर में नहीं जाना चाहते हैं और लोग बोर हो गए हैं और OTT का टाइम आ गया है, ये गलत बात है. पब्लिक को थिएटर में देखना है, क्योंकि कम्युनिटी व्यूइंग जो है वो कभी चेंज नहीं हो सकती. जब आप साथ में बैठ के फिल्म देखते हो अपने दोस्तों के साथ, अनजानों के साथ भी, तो मतलब वो जो मज़ा है ना, वो अकेले घर में देखने में नहीं आता.
Also, what do you think worked for Stree 2 this time?
The honesty, yeah. The honesty of the script, the honesty of the director, the honesty of the actor, producer, everybody. I think we all never thought that we were trying to make something big. We just had fun. And I feel that's the whole idea of performing arts. You need to have fun. And that's what really did it for Stree.
And Stree 2, you know, to a great extent, it also highlights women empowerment, you know,
Yes.
strong woman character.
Yeah.
I want to know, in this day and age, what is your take on women's safety?
Men need to just be like, you know, not think that they're kings of the world. That's all. I think that will solve half the issue. ये जो राजा बेटा वाला कल्चर है वो खत्म हो जाए, बस everything will be good.
Abhishek bhai, but Abhishek bhai, what do you think will end the Raja Beta?
Good parenting. Yeah, I think mothers and fathers, they need to, like, you know, parent their kids in a way that they don't make them feel special and they make them feel responsible to be a part of the society. I think जितना जल्दी वो कर लें हम लोग, उतना जल्दी बेहतर होगा
But
हम सब
आजकल
के लिए.
parenting culture काफी change हो चुका है, you know, बच्चों को डांटो हमारी mental health पर असर पड़ जाएगा.
यार
you know,
डांटने से
soft parenting and all that.
डांटने से नहीं होता, आप उनको गाइड कैसे करते हो. You can't really scold and, like, you know, how do you put it, like, you know, when you were a kid, you have to guide them. You have to, like, you know, push them towards the right direction. और इतने तो स्मार्ट हो सकते हैं ना पेरेंट्स, मतलब एडल्ट्स हैं तो बच्चों को तो संभालना आना चाहिए, right?
And you think films also, in a way, have a strong part to play, you know, or influence this kind of approach?
Films, of course. We need to stop, like, you know, doing things on screen which makes it more patriarchal. That's all. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Abhishek. Thank you so much.
अभिषेक भाई लास्ट क्वेश्चन.
हाँ जी.
आपने बहुत सारे कास्टिंग किए हैं, बहुत सारे मूवीज और
From the BBC, how are you?
Yes, ma'am, please, ma'am. Yes, 3, 2. Ma'am, this camera, please. Yes, 1, 2. Thank you.
Everyone is looking forward to your performance today. Does that make you excited or do you feel nervous?
Says it all.
Quick shot, 3, 2. Turn look at the camera, please. Yes. Thank you so much. Yes, sir. Yes. All right. This camera, please. Right side. Yes. 1, 2. Thank you so much.
This is right here. Thank you so much. Right here.
What is on your wrist?
You like watches, I know that, right?
Yeah.
You're a big watch lover. Thank you so much. This one.
Here's the watch.
Watch. Thank you so much. Wearing a Rolex. It's called mint green Rolex. हाँ मोता डालना पड़ता क्या करना हाँ
So Vijay, according to you, if there is one actor today who represents perfectly the idea of being a star, who is that and why?
That gentleman is on stage right now, Shah Rukh Khan.
But why?
Why so? It's just I've had people fight over each other in families, in friends, close friend circles, girlfriends and boyfriends, and marriages are broken because one of them doesn't like Shah Rukh Khan or they say something. तो लोग लड़ते हैं उनके लिए एक दूसरे से. I think that is probably the highest form of stardom.
उनकी एक ऐसी कौन सी क्वालिटी है जो आप उनसे इनवाइट करना चाहोगे और आपको बहुत पसंद है?
वो he's a love magnet. I want to get some of that love magnet from him.
I'm pretty sure you got it, Vijay. You are also a love magnet.
Thank you so much.
Definitely. Vijay, but as I want to say this, you and Taman are on a high right now. And you know, both of you guys are doing in terms of the success is amazing, touch with. What do you guys, you know, when you see each other's work, what is the first thing that you tell them? Are you guys each other's biggest critics?
No, not really. Also because she does such quality stuff. Like her song is such a rage, and it's set an example for a lot of people how to do it right. So there's not much room for criticism, that's it. So
Does she tell you something when she saw Icy Apron Pro?
she's a big. I think she's the strongest supporter of the show even before it came out, and she continued to maintain that stand. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
The Cult जो है हैदराबाद
हाँ.
उसमें से आप अगर फिर से वो अगर रीमेक होती है तो उसमें से आप कौन सा कैरेक्टर करना पसंद करोगे?
अंग्रेज का रीमेक पहली बात तो होना नहीं, क्योंकि वो जो कर दिए वो बेस्ट है उसके साथ छिड़खानी नहीं करना. ये सलीम फेकू का करना चाहूँगा.
सर उसमें प्लीज अगर कुछ बोलना चाहें.
मैं तो हैदराबाद का क्या है उधर सब बहुत टाइम है लोगों के पास आराम से बैठना जाना ईरानी होटल में बैठना ऑर्डर आकर के मंगाना खाना पीना एक दूसरे को लंबी फेंकना. हाँ चार मीनार के नीचे जहाँ मौका मिला वहीं बैठ जाओ.
Okay, sir, one last shot, please. Here.
What gave you the courage to do that, and are you in a better space mentally, physically, spiritually?
Yeah, I'm perfect. You need courage to do everything in life. I belong to a very small place called Karampura, New Delhi City, West Delhi, and where I'm standing in Haifa. It's been so many years I'm doing this thing. What is bringing me back again and again is just courage. So, and if you talk about alcohol, you don't need courage. You have to extreme it, then you leave it. What? I think you should watch the documentary. It's coming this year on Netflix. It's a world release, not just India Netflix. They're going to release in 200 countries. So the editing is going on. I don't know when they're going to announce the date. So it's everybody you know me through my music videos, my lyrics, my performances, my wild things I ever done, my controversies. But who's real me? Like the people who know me personally, like who I am. You're going to see that in my documentary.
Being a musician, the advent of AI these days in music is something that you're seeing continuously. As an artist, what do you want to say about it?
It's amazing, bro. Trust me. There's one little lad from Delhi. His name is Anshuman Sharma. And he did the first AI, what I heard, of Rafi Sahab and that Jodha Akbar song by Rahman sir. And that composition of Rahman sir and Rafi Sahab, he made it a remake of it. And when I heard it for the first time, I was like, what is this? This is amazing. So everything, either is tech, either is computer science, either is medical science, either is alcohol, either is party, either is study, excess of everything is bad.
If there is one trend in the industry that bothers you, what would that be?
Nothing.
Anything about the industry that bothers you?
Nothing bothers me, bro.
And
life.
Indian music scene has changed a lot in the recent years. Diljit Dosanjh is one who's made a name globally. He's representing the Indian music industry. What would you like to say and how do you look at the Indian music scene globally?
What Diljit did is like tremendous, and especially being as a guy from a Sikh family, we feel so proud that he made it to an international level. And as far as I know Diljit, I know him since 2009. We worked together on an album called Next Level. I composed that whole album. I lived with him for 1 year. So as far as his talent and courage and caliber concerned reflects, he can do anything bigger than this.
From then to know what has changed about Diljit?
Huh?
From then to know what has changed about him?
He's same. He's similar.
Is that what brings him success?
I think so, because he was so, he was just like this. He was same. In old times, he was so hardworking, so honest, so introvert. He never used to laugh too much, never used to talk too much. And I used to nag him a lot.
Hari Singh version 1 and Hari Singh version 2. What is difference in that?
I have 158 versions. Better than your iPhone, baby. You would just stick on 16 words.